barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. Folks, I'm going to grill you some chicken inside the cooking chamber on my Lone Star Grillz 20-inch offset. Now normally you'd want to do this in your firebox over the hot fire. I'm going to show you how you can do this on the 20-inch Lone Star Grillz offset using a charcoal basket that Chris Goodlander came up with. He probably does make these for the 24-inch pipe offsets as well, but the one I've got is for the 20-inch. If you're interested in checking this out, go to LoneStarGrillz.com. Link will be down below. Let me show you what this charcoal basket looks like. Let's put it in the Lone Star Grillz. Alright folks, here's that charcoal basket right here. I've already cut my finger a little bit messing around with it barehanded, so got some hot pads, you know. Anyway, if y'all look at the shape of this thing from the end, you can see it's shaped to go on the inside of this 20-inch offset. And also, it's like a toll tray. You know the old toll trays you carry around and bring people tea or coffee or, you know, beignets or whatever in the morning? Guests. So this piece right here where the charcoal sits on, and that's sharp metal, folks, so you've got to be very careful if you get one of these. Anyway, this is the same type of metal that's used for the grill grate itself, and I pulled out both grill grates just for easy access for me. And then the charcoal ashes sit down in here. And there's probably about a good inch at least gap between this and the base of this basket. All up in there. Oh yeah. Alright. See if we can put it in there. It's brand new, folks. I hadn't done this before, so y'all stay tuned. Bear with me. There we go. Slide it more towards the firebox end. And probably put most of the coals over here on this end so that I can kind of start off indirect on this end. And I got both vents wide open. Both the intake on the firebox and the exhaust smokestack. Let's fire up some charcoal. I think I may do lump. We're going to fire it up. I'll bring you back in when we're loading this baby up. Y'all stay tuned. Alright folks, you can see the charcoal basket down in there. My lump is hot. We'll go ahead and pour it in. If I need more, I can always add some more later on. Now I'm going to put the grill grate back in. Actually, I'm just going to put in this bottom grill grate right here. That's all we really need today. Alright, close the lid. Again, both vents are open, intake and exhaust. Close the lid, let this baby warm up. I'm going to go get the chicken prepped up. Alright folks, there's about 6 inches between the charcoal and this grill grate right here. I'm going to go ahead and put some more charcoal in here. Might as well just empty that bag. I'm using oak lump. Now you could put some wood chunks on here if you want, or wood chips, up to you. But since this is oak lump, I'm not going to use any extra wood to help smoke or anything. Just let this, I don't know if you can see the height there. It's about 6 inches from one grill grate down to that charcoal grate. I'll let it keep warming up, scrub down the grill here. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I don't know if you can tell, we've got a thin blue smoke coming out of the stack. I'll go down here, you can see we are holding about 230 or so, and it's still climbing. But that's hot enough for me. Last time we left, I left this lid open and let some of those new coals I put on there, let them get going pretty good. And also scraped all this down real good. And it's been, heck, I don't know, a couple of months since I've used this thing, it seems like. Oh, let me show you what I've got today. This is what I'm using. This is just some lead quarters. They were already seasoned by my local grocery store, HEB. And it's barbecue seasoning. I'm not going to touch in, I'm not going to add anything to them. We're just going to let it rock and roll like that. Go ahead and bust these open. There we go. Alright. Okay. And again, I'm going to go indirect at first. I'm going to put the thigh close to the fire. Like so. They season these up pretty good. Alright. Let these babies rock and roll, get some smoke on them. We'll check back on them here in a little bit. Oh, I wanted to mention, if y'all are not familiar with a channel out there called, what is it, Texas 2.5, almost forgot. Anyway, you're going to check out my buddy up there, Texas 2.5. I'll put his channel link up here and down below in the description box for you. He's also got the Lone Star Grillz 20-inch. I think he's got the 20 by 42. I've got the 36-inch, 20 by 36. So his is a little bit bigger than mine. But he's got some great cooks on there. He's a young channel. You're going to show him some love. Tell him old T-Roy sent you. All right, so over here, we're going to shut this back down. Just let this stuff cook for a little bit. And we'll bring y'all back after it's, I don't know. We're going to check it here in about a half hour, see what it looks like. If I need to spin it around, I will. But we'll check it later. All right, guys, it's been 30 minutes. This thing got up to about 360 and just stayed there. And again, I only used about half of that charcoal basket down there. So, man, if you load this thing up, you're going to run some hot temps. And don't do this. In my opinion, do not do this grill grate cooking in your cooking chamber like this with charcoal until you've had a handful of cooks. That's going to really set the paint on your pit. But let's go ahead and see what these are looking like. Oh yeah, that's looking nice, man. Alright, so I'm going to sit these over the charcoal, this lump, because we are actually going to grill. I just wanted to get a little bit of smoke for the first half hour. Now we're going to grill. My coals are still really hot, and I think I'm going to leave the lid open. Yeah, let's leave the lid open so that I can see if this thing flames up. I'll be able to come and hurry up and flip my chicken over. We'll check back on it. You can already see it ain't far from flaming up right now. I may just leave this baby running. Shoot. Oh yeah, but there you go. Now we're talking. Alright. Yeah, we're going to flame up good. See if I can shut the lid, get that flame out. Folks, we'll be back shortly. Alright guys, I'm still seeing a lot of dirty smoke coming out of my stack over here. I think we're still flaming up. Let's see. Nope, flame actually went out. Okay. Alright, we're going to let it keep going. It's only been a few minutes since I turned the camera off last time. Hopefully the flames will stay down. Now what I'm going to do, I will go ahead and I'll close that intake. Just leave it cracked just a little bit. Try to keep some airflow going out the stack. It's a learning process. But I'm here to show you guys how it works. Y'all stay tuned. It's been 5 minutes. Let's check on this chicken. See if it needs a flip. Yeah, skin burned up. That's cool. That's fine. The meat itself should be good. Yeah. There we go. Alright, not as hot in the back. That's some gorgeous looking chicken right there, isn't it? Yeah, man. Have them burned up a little bit too. Alright, so we're going to stick some of these back here along the back and let them keep cooking. And the charcoal's higher on this side. That's how come it's burned up a little bit. Back in the back, it's not really as burned up. We're going to let it keep cooking though, man. We'll check back shortly. Maybe another 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about another 5 minutes. Tell you what, let's take a look at this chicken. Looking really good. Looking really good. Oh yeah, man. I'm going to test. Let me bring one of these pieces up here too. Let's test some of this chicken with my handy dandy thermopin right here. Let's see what we're looking like here. Guess I'll do this so y'all can see what I'm doing here. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'll tell you what, that's hot. Oh, that's done. That's done, babe. 175, yeah, we're good there. 86. 185. 109. Yeah, we're good. Alright, I'll take this off. We'll give it a taste test. Alright guys, I'll let this chicken rest for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go for this piece right here. In fact, I'm going to separate the leg from the thigh here. Oh, okay. Did y'all see all that juice coming out of there? Ah, yeah, baby. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. I like the thigh meat myself. Oh, dude, that's tender, juicy. All right, let's check this out. Some of that skin. Holy cow. Man, for being seasoned from my local grocery store, thumbs up. If you're in the Austin area or near an HEB here in Texas, check out that barbecue seasoning they put on their chicken, man. That's pretty good stuff. I want to try this leg just to make sure everything's the way I like it. And get some of that skin. Man, I'm telling you, juicy, tender as all get out. Holy cow. That's jamming, y'all. That's some serious good food right there. I'm glad I got that little attachment from my Lone Star Grillz. I tell you what, cooking with lump charcoal will be hotter than cooking with briquettes, and you get a little bit smoke flavor. That's why I cooked it indirect at first for about the first half hour. I cooked it indirect, get some of that smoke flavor into the chicken. And I'm tasting it. That's very, very good. I can't believe how juicy and tender it is. It's like it's been smoked the whole time. But I smoked it at first, and then for like the last 10-15 minutes, I grilled it. Y'all saw that. So you try that. Try that at home. Promise you, the chicken's gonna be super juicy and tender. Lord have mercy. But also remember, when you put your barbecue seasoning on there, if you got any sugars and stuff in your barbecue mix, you rub, it's gonna burn up when you grill. So y'all be very careful. You may want to be diligent and flip that thing over numerous times to keep it from burning up. You don't want to burn that rub. I actually burned some of the rub myself, but that's a hot fire, man. Using lumps hotter than using briquettes. But man, you get so much more flavor out of there. I'm so glad I got this Lone Star Grillz, and I got that charcoal grate that's in there, that's in the cooking chamber. Not the grill, not the firebox, the cooking chamber. Man, I can grill me some nice chicken. I can grill anything I want to in my cooking chamber on my offset. That's a double thumbs up from old T-Roy right there. I love that. That's a great accessory, man. In fact, I get that same flavor as if I cooked it over the Santa Maria grill, you know? Y'all seen me do videos on that? I'm telling you, man. Got that same flavor. Love it. Absolutely love it. 2 thumbs up from old T-Roy. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends, T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.